Welcome to the Marine Radioecology Laboratory. My name is Stupakoff. I am the lab introduction to our laboratory. You are going to listen to some of the students and postdocs that work in this lab, and they're going to tell you a little bit about their research and the work they've been doing in this lab.
My name is Hudson Roditi. I'm a graduate student at the Marine Science Research Center in the laboratory of Nick Fisher. The subject of my research is the zebra mussel, which is an exotic invasive species, and that means that it's an animal which is not native to, incidentally, about 10 years ago, and in the last 10 years it's been spreading through many aquatic ecosystems in North America, such as rivers, lakes, and reservoirs. One local system that's been invaded by the mussel, for example, is the Hudson River, and as well as the Great Lakes. In the past I was studying the ecology of the zebra mussel. Presently at Stony Brook I'm looking at how the zebra mussel interacts with contaminants in the water, and specifically how it interacts with metals. Based on the concentration of these diverse metals in the water, I should be able to predict how much of it is accumulating in the tissue of the animal. And this, in a bigger picture, is useful because it allows us to get an index of water quality by looking at the animals themselves.
Hi, my name is Sarah Griscom, and I've been here at MSRC for 4 years working in Nick Fisher's lab. And my interest includes looking at sediments and estuaries and the availability of contaminant metals associated with that sediment and how available it is to organisms that eat it and live in it. One of my experiments, I contaminated some natural sediment with radioactive metal. I incubated it for about 3 weeks so that it exchanged properly with all the different parts of the sediment. And then I placed clams into that sediment for a short amount of time, and I looked at how much of the metal associated with the sediment was passively taken up by the organism just by being in the sediment. I found that much of the metal that they get into their bodies is mostly from overlying water, and probably very little contaminants are taken up passively into their tissue from the sediment itself.